Calcaneus position, with respect to the ground, is one of the measures used to classify the foot as either normal or neutral, pronated, or supinated. From the posterior view, this foot may present with the calcaneus vertical, or very mildly inverted or everted in the frontal plane, with even malleolar curves and the toes equally visible on the medial and lateral sides. From the posterior view, this foot may present with the calcaneus trending from a vertical to an everted position in the frontal plane, more concave malleolar curves, and the toes visible more laterally. From the posterior view, this foot may present with the calcaneus trending from a vertical to an inverted position in the frontal plane, more convex malleolar curves, and toes visible more medially. For daily education and training, follow us on social media, including Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on LinkedIn, or visit DOLAOrthotics.com.